Here are 3 travel tips that can be useful. Number 1. Plan and research ahead of time. Before traveling to any destination, it is essential to do some research and planning. This can include finding out about local customs and laws, the best time to visit, places to stay, and things to do. You can also research the best ways to get around, including transportation options and routes. Number 2. Pack smartly. Packing smartly can make your travel experience much more enjoyable. Make a list of everything you need to pack and check it off as you go. Consider the climate and activities you'll be doing at your destination and pack accordingly. Also, pack only what you need and avoid overpacking. Number 3. Stay flexible. While planning ahead is essential, it's also important to stay flexible. Travel plans can change due to various reasons such as weather, flight cancellations, or unexpected events. So, be prepared to adjust your itinerary if needed and have backup plans in case things don't go as planned. Being flexible can help you make the most of your trip and enjoy your travels even more.